Magracia is 25 years younger than her mother. In 4 years, her mother will be twice as old as Magracia. How old are they? So, sa pag-solve ng gantong age problem, we have to identify first the equation nung mother at saka ni Magracia. So, in our case, ang sabi dito is si mother is okay, si Magracia is 25 years younger than her mother. So, if Magracia has an age of x, so the mother will be x plus 25 because Magracia is 25 years younger than mother. In 4 years, so we are going to have that in 4 years after, it says there that mother will be twice as old as Magracia. So we are going to have that as x plus 25, which is the age of mother, plus 4 because 4 years, and Magracia will be x plus 4. Now this mother becomes x plus 29, and it says there her mother will be twice as old as Magracia. So we are going to use this equation na nandito. So x plus 29 is equal to x plus 4. And it says here na si mother niya raw ay magiging twice as old as Magracia. So yung age ni Magracia, ita twice natin, dalawang beses, equal na siya sa age ni mother after 4 years. So that becomes x plus 29 is equal to 2x plus 8. So dito we're going to subtract 8. Also subtract 8 here. So becomes 2x, and this is x plus 21. Now transpose the x to other side. Minus x minus x. This becomes 21 is equals to x. So our x now will be 21. So we're going to find the age of the mother and Magracia after 4 years. So after 4 years, x plus 29. So x plus 29, our x is 21, so 21 plus 29, that is 50. So the age of mother will be 50. Then Magracia, x is 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. So this is Magracia. So tama. So in 4 years, the age of Magracia will be twice as old as his